Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a very cool part for Rex, which is pretty uncommon for Hondas, or for, I guess, these lower class Hondas. But here's the part. This right here is an S2000 button, and today I just received the harness to plug in to this harness. So my friend with another CRX, the boosted CRX, he said he was looking through all the stuff and he found this. So he's the one that gave me this whole thing, and I just couldn't wait to put it in. So there's little information on putting this in, so I'm gonna try to give you guys the best I could to explain how to do it. Alright guys, so my dad made a pretty good diagram of how it's supposed to be. You guys can take a look, but basically make it all simple and all that. With our harness, it's different colors than maybe what you guys are gonna get, or if you guys want to copy ours. Basically, red and yellow wire connects together and connects to the black and yellow power, which is the dash harness. Orange connects to starter wire, which is black with a white stripe. And then on our starter harness, black is ground. So as you guys can see here, the car, which is the dash harness, black and white goes to the relay 87. Black and yellow, which is positive, goes onto 30. Ground goes into 85. And that's it for the car harness. Now for the button, we have 3 wires in it, which you guys can see the colors right there. Red goes into 86. Yellow goes into the ground, which goes into 85, and then black connects to 30 into car, black and yellow. So basically, you guys could just look at this and go off of it. Alright, so my dad right now is connecting the wires, which we're just electrical taping them, which is going to be temporary until we get a soldering gun later on, which I'll do later. Anyways,
so cutting this wire right here, that goes to the actual ignition. We're disabling the ignition here, so that way you don't need the key to actually turn it on anymore. We're just going to use the starter button itself. So we're going to go straight to here, onto the actual button. There's that. And this is the black with the white. We're going into the orange one. Cool. That's how it's gonna look right there. Red and yellow to the black and yellow. I left it connected. Black and white to the orange. And then you're gonna have your ground. And that'll be it. It should work from there.
all right, we got everything installed. The relay is up there, bolted. As you guys can see right there, the relay is right there, and the ground is also on the same bolt. So now, fingers crossed, and let's see if this thing starts. Where's the keys at? Oh, key in, clutch in, on. Moment of truth. Ooh.
So check this out though. This won't work again.
Oh,
so if you ever don't want to get it stolen, you just pop off the start button, take it with you.
That's smart. Let's go. Go ahead. Man, that had like 50 horsepower. Let's go. All right, now I just gotta clean up all this mess right here. And yeah, freaking excited, let's go. Woo. I've had this button for like 2 months maybe. And I just got the harness. So let's go. I wanna give a big shout out to Derek. I'll put his Instagram up here. And yeah, go follow him. He has an amazing CRX with the single cam, turbo. He says making like 300, something like that, but it's so clean. Go check it out, go follow him. And yeah, this wouldn't be possible without him giving me this stuff. And just a little story with the button. So how I got the button is he told me to give him a 4-pack of Sunny Days and just take it to him, give it him, and boom, I got the button. And then today he said, hey, I found the harness, you can have it. I was like, sweet. So here we are. Oh, let's go. Freaking excited.